Alright guys, good morning. Today we have ourselves KTM Super Adventure 1290 2024 fitted with our very own TOUREX Navigator-X2 version 3. Okay, version 3 so far is the most stable version in our listing. So as you can see, this is the HUD infotainment display. You can see right here is the tilt meter. As I shake the bike a bit, you can see. And the other one is the GPS speedometer with the tire pressure monitoring sensor, temperature sensor, all the altitude meter, etc. Okay, as you can see on the top left hand corner is recording. So this come with the front and the rear camera. Okay, we can adjust the brightness display here, so you can see camera, and also the speedometer is also display on the top left hand corner with the altitude and the pressure. Okay, this is the tire pressure sensor, and also equipped with Android Auto and Apple Carplay, so you can connect your Google Maps and whatever maps lah, Waze or whatever. Okay, and also it has the menu. You can also set the GPS speed unit. If you don't like kilometer, you go to miles. Okay, and also same goes for the temperature, Celsius, Fahrenheit, and also the tire pressure, bar or psi. Okay, so this unit has a 128GB of storage space, internal storage space, as recommended by our factory supplier. Internal storage space is better lah in terms of recording high definition video. Sony lens inside this camera, has a Sony lens which is good for night mode, also night vision, night mode. Okay, so that's all for today for our TOUREX Navigator X2 version 3.0 fitted on KTM 1290 year 2024. Okay, stay tuned for our next video. Alright guys, right.